Look how happy he is. I am completely covered in cicadas. And there's, oh man, what's my, loads. I'm just covered in cicadas. So many. I think we're having a big night. I don't know if you can see, but it's a lot. Here's my arms, inside my face. It's a whole thing, and it's really itchy and kind of nice. Okay.
Oh my God, are you complaining again?
Yes.
About how amazing this is?
It's so amazing, but it's
so many cicadas and they're just all over me. Oh, life is hard.
It really is. This is all I ever wanted, and now I have it, and it's like really crazy.
And they're all over you. Holy shit, Joey!
I told you.
What is this nonsense? This is just amazing. Breathe, Joey. Breathe. It's for science.